everyone hears automated driving in plant, AFW, is a technology developed by BMW Group to automate the driving process of vehicles within their production facilities. This innovative system enables vehicles to navigate autonomously through the plant, from assembly lines to testing areas, without the need for human drivers. Key features and benefits. Autonomous navigation. AFW-equipped vehicles utilize advanced sensors and artificial intelligence to perceive their surroundings and make autonomous driving decisions. Increased efficiency. Automation eliminates the need for human drivers, streamlining the production process and reducing labor costs. Improved safety. By removing human error, AFW contributes to a safer working environment for employees. Enhanced flexibility. AFW allows for more flexible production schedules and rapid adaptation to changing demands. Implementation and future outlook. BMW Group is currently implementing AFW in several of its plants, including Dingolfing and Leipzig. The technology is expected to be expanded to other facilities and production areas in the future. AFW represents a significant step towards the future of automotive manufacturing, demonstrating the potential of automation to revolutionize the industry.